I purchased this X-Sense smoke detector and look how nice it is. It comes with a 10-year battery and also these screws and anchors too. And it also gives you directions on how easy it is to install. All you're going to have to do is screw the anchors and the screws up top on your ceiling. And then you're going to attach this. So this is the plate that you're going to attach it on to your ceiling. And then all you have to do is do the twist. Simple as that. Okay, so now let me push the button for 3 seconds to test it out so you can hear what it sounds like. Pretty loud, right? So this is very easy to install. Definitely recommend it for your smoke detector. You should have one in every room as well as in the hallway too. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.